Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So here we are in my garage and the new E-Class had just the world online premiere, and here in this video I want to discuss with you the exterior, interior and also new features of the new E-Class. So let's start. So the Mercedes says in the press report that the new E-Class is a bridge between the tradition and digitalization. So it has some features of a traditional car, but also some new features from modern vehicles, and it's more modernized, we can say. Also, we have some new software in the interior, so we will talk about that as well. So first, let's talk about the exterior. So we can get the new E-Class in Avantgarde line, also in the AMG line, and also in the exclusive line. So the exclusive line will have a design which we know from the S-Class, with these horizontal stripes in the grille and also the standing Mercedes star on the front hood, front bonnet. So let me know which one do you like more, the AMG line or the exclusive one. So for me, I have to say I really like the new exclusive line because it looks really similar to the S-Class, and this has like a luxury vibe around it. So I would probably pick the exclusive line. In terms of the engines, we have mild hybrid or plug-in hybrid versions, 4-cylinder and also 6-cylinder, petrol and also the diesel, and plug-in hybrids can be also as diesel or petrol. So in terms of the power, it varies from 194 horsepower up to 375 horsepower with the inline 6-cylinder. So big news around the front design is the connection between the grille and the new headlights. So there is like a high gloss black panel which surrounds the grille. So this should be perceived like a bridge between the internal combustion engine and the electric EQ versions. So let me know in the comment section down below what do you think about that. Also, if you have exclusive line or AMG line, it's always the case that you have the black panel around the grille. Also, the grille surrounding can be illuminated. If you wish to do so, you can order that, or you can order it without the illumination. So let me know once again what you think about this new feature. In terms of the design of the headlights, we have one stripe on the top and then two smaller stripes like an eyebrow design on the lower part of the headlight. So I think this should remind us as a heritage to the previous E-Classes, which had a design similar to that with two part headlight. Also big difference, big news is the design of rear tail lamps, which now have a little bit different shape than previously. Also what is big difference are the LED stars on the inside of the tail lamps. So we have basically two stars on each, so four in the whole car. I think this is a really interesting choice. So I don't really think anyone expected this move from Mercedes, so I applaud for the new innovative method to do the tail lamps. Why not? So I think on the pictures it looks really great. I haven't seen the car myself yet in person, but I'm really looking forward to, and I will bring you in the review as soon as possible. The E-Class has, as always, long bonnet design, and the cabin is pushed towards the rear, basically rear axle. The standard is adjustable suspension. You can also get the new reworked Airmatic air suspension, and also rear axle steering as an optional extra, and it will help you with maneuverability in the parking and also more stability in high speeds. Also above the tail lamps and across the boot there is like a chrome line. I think this looks really great. So the wheel choices are from 18, then you can have 19, 20, and the largest ones are the 21 inch. So there is also new color which is called the Verde Silver. That one has like a design which is like a silverish, greenish. This sort of like a reminiscent of to me like a classic cars, but also like a modernized color. So I'm really curious to see this in person for sure. Also there is a Nautic blue, and I believe there is also like Alpine gray, which is this sort of light gray color. I didn't find the official breakdown of the colors, but there will be white for sure, also black. In terms of the interior, that was revealed a few months ago, but essentially we have an optional super screen, which is basically similar to the hyper screen. It has a little bit different shape, but main difference is that the passenger screen actually is like not integrated within the large surface glass of the whole display. Also on top of the dashboard, and you can use it for the Zoom calls. Also, there is like integrated system with apps for the market launch. Will be like a TikTok, Angry Birds, Zoom, and some other. So there is also a new feature with automated comfort functions with routine. So the car will learn which comfort functions you are using at which circumstances, and it will turn them on automatically. You can also pick from the templates and go from there. So the front air vents with optional thermotronic AC will actually automatically adjust front air vents. You can also do that manually as well. So also the passenger can watch the video or the TV on the front passenger display, but the driver will not be seeing this thanks to the new technology. The driver should focus on the driving, of course. So in terms of the dimensions, it's more or less the same, apart from one thing, and that is a wheelbase, which is 2 centimeters longer. That's basically almost 1 inch longer in terms of the wheelbase. That will also benefit the passengers. In terms of the luggage capacity, it is up to 540 liters. Also new is active ambient lighting, which will change the colors of the ambient lighting depending on the music or the movies, also the videos or apps which will be played in the car. In terms of the aerodynamics, we have a value of CD.23, which is basically the same as the predecessor, but now we have slightly larger frontal area, so that's also an improvement. So in terms of the plug-in hybrids, now we have larger range, up to 100 kilometers or about 62 miles of a pure all-electric range in the plug-in hybrid version. So this is also a big improvement versus the previous generation. Alright guys, so let me know which E-Class would you go for in the comment section down below. I would probably go for the exclusive line with the style which is similar to the S-Class. In terms of the color, I would maybe go for the black, maybe like Alpine Grey. I think these would be my top choices for the colors. Let me know in the comment section down below which would you go for, exclusive line or the AMG line, maybe avant-garde line, and also in terms of the colors. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching, thank you very much for your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.